Hi, welcome back to another video. Today I'm out in my side garden and I am starting some seeds. I'm starting all those more like cool weather crops that can be started in February. I am in a gardening zone 9 and I'll be starting like carrots, beets, radishes, some lettuces, yeah, stuff like that. So I was just gonna bring you out here and show you what I am planting and kind of where I'm planting stuff in the garden. Okay, so in this, I have my blueberries in this bed. And I know blueberries take a much different like soil pH, I believe. But I'm gonna do some like turnips and radishes in this bed, things that grow very quickly. That way I'm harvesting them before the blueberries are in like full production. So I'm gonna do that really fast. I got my square foot gardener thing to help me space them evenly, and I'm just gonna do 1 square foot all the way down the bed, and I'm gonna do radishes and turnips in this bed. So with the square foot thing, just really helps you get a good spacing on stuff if you take the time to do it. And for these types of things, you do the red squares, which is 16 per square foot. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use my little thing. So 1/4 inch depth on this. And for the turnips I'm gonna be doing this Scarlet Ohio turnip, and then also this Tokyo Market. And I'm just gonna do a little bit of these, not a ton. And it just rained this morning, so I'm kind of out here I have a little bit of time to do this. The seeds are really tiny, so this can be kind of tedious, but I like to take the time instead of having to thin things. So if you're a backyard gardener and you don't have a ton of space, this square foot gardening thing is kind of fun because it tells you like what you can plant per square foot and like really maximize your space. So, and it comes with this little guide on things. And so for like turnips, beets, carrots, radishes and stuff, you can get 16 per square foot. So it's kind of nice to know. I am doing these beets next down. I'm gonna do them the rest of the way of the row. My goal this year is to just plant, I guess you could say. In years past, I am kind of just like, have been kind of like, I don't know, I guess picky, on what I'm growing, and felt like I needed to wait for the perfect time, and if I was too late, then I couldn't do it anymore, but not this year. I am just going to plant. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. And I just want to be able to get as much in the ground as possible, and kind of grow more than what I think we'll need, honestly, because I could give it away, and then if people don't want it, I can feed my chickens with it. And I just want to be, with food prices rising and stuff, I'm just trying to be just plant what I can. And honestly, I have a lot of like bunny pressure out here and deer pressure, and it's just a whole new kind of environment for growing in that I've just really been having to learn. And so if a little bit of stuff gets eaten by animals or it doesn't make it, then hopefully I've grown an abundance to where I can just have enough for me and maybe to give away, even if some gets eaten. So we'll see. But I have taken kind of different steps to try to hopefully help not have those pressures this year. So we'll see. So I'm just gonna keep planting, and I will come back when we are planting the next thing. Then for my radishes, I'm going to be doing the French breakfast. And then this is my first year ordering from MI Gardener, but I'm gonna be doing it's called Lady Slipper radish. And I'm just gonna do half of this bed with radishes. So for just one row in this half of this bed, this is where my herbs are, it's just the other side of it. I'm gonna do just 1 square foot row of parsnips. And then the rest of this bed, I'm gonna do lettuce, just my favorite like cut and come again lettuce. You know what? I kind of forgot. And you guys can tell me in the comments below, but I had right here, and over there, I had rhubarb plants. And they died off, but will they come back? I'm in a gardening zone 9. It's pretty warm in the winters here. Doesn't get like very cold. Like rarely things die off in the winter here. But I think it got too cold for those. So let me know in the comments if they'll come back. I'm gonna be planting parsnips over them. So I just don't know. I've never grown them before and I haven't researched it. So if you know anything about that, let me know. Phew, that was fun. Now onto lettuce. Okay, for the rest of this bed, just because we go through a lot and I want quite a bit of it, I am going to be planting this, I call it a cut and come again lettuce. It's the Rocky Top lettuce blend from Baker Creek Seeds. I want a lot of these, so I'm just gonna be doing rows for this one. We're gonna do this Rocky Top lettuce blend. I've had great success with it in the past, and I never have had bitter lettuce. And I don't plant them for like head lettuce. I plant them for do it in rows, kind of tightly sowed, and then you kind of snip what you want off for dinner. And then by the time hopefully I get to the end, the front is regrown back. So let's get this planted, and then I'm gonna try to figure out where I want the rest of my stuff. Okay, there we have it. Lettuce and parsnips right there. Okay, and then the last thing I'm gonna be planting over here for this video. So right here on the other side of the radishes and the blueberry bed, I think I'm gonna do this, and I'm gonna experiment with doing head lettuce. I've never grown lettuces for a head of it, but I'm gonna do that. And then for the square foot gardener, for head lettuce, it has you do 4 per square foot. So that is gonna be the blue holes. And then for the last thing I'm planting today, I am gonna be starting these sugar pea pods. They're the dwarf gray sugar pea pods. I have this trellis behind me, and I'm going to be doing it on both sides of the trellis. For my zone, I can start those this month, so I'm really excited for these. I've grown these in the past, and I just love peas. This is my new space for my new garden. It's not 100% finished, but the next video you'll see will be a garden tour. So I'm going to be kind of creating a little hole, and I'm going to leave the hole open, kind of like that, if you can see it, so it gets sunlight. We're gonna do quite a few. Okay, so you can kind of see my holes there. These are nice big seeds. I'm just gonna do one in each hole. Okay, so that is it for today. I still am going to be planting carrots, but I'm not doing that today. I need to get back inside because my mom is here watching my son. But I'm so excited to bring you guys along for this garden season, and I can't wait to show you my new space, my new unfinished space. But we're gonna work on it together and get this finished up. So I'm really excited for some sugar pea pods. And thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.